The QY series gear reducer is a heavy-duty hard-tooth gear reducer designed with a modular structure, offering high load capacity and smooth transmission. Main technical features: low capacity, rated output torque up to 65,000 Nm, suitable for high-load operating conditions. Gear craftsmanship: hard-tooth gears made of high-quality alloy steel, treated with carburizing and quenching. Housing structure: high-strength cast iron housing, sufficiently rigid, with good heat dissipation, effectively reducing noise and vibration. Reliable sealing: multiple sealing design for the mating surface and shaft ends ensures no leakage. Wide adaptability, suitable for metallurgy, frequently use high-duty cranes, and lifting operations. During assembly, special attention is given to maintaining gear meshing clearance, bearing play, and overall concentricity. After complete assembly, the machine undergoes no-load and load testing, monitoring temperature rates, noise, and vibration levels.